y'all, these are fire. This shoe is called Nafesa. Basically the same. Okay, the shoe's not in the box.
Turn on the tube, know what to do. You know who I'm watching. Shorty is cute, she got the juice. She my favorite option. Tune in to Ayana.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ayana Iman. I got some Valentine's Day goodies for you guys. We're just gonna get straight into it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at It's Ayana Iman. Okay, so these are the first pairs of shoes that I have. They're really cute, very chill, comfortable. If you've seen any of my past previous Shoedazzle hauls, I always talk about how I love the small heels for like just something calm, like literally like a casual day. So I got this pink mule heel. It's like a baby pink, my favorite pink ever. And this is the fabulous shoe. So freaking cute. And it's just very comfortable, it's very cute. And this is the shoe Corisande, Corisande. I got her in size 9 as always, and yeah, literally these just speak for themselves. Like just a cute little casual shoe to go literally anywhere, do anything. You can run. Like I just like a shoe like this for like a cute little day. I mean, you're not trying to do too much, but you still want to get a little flavor to your outfit. These are these fuzzy slippers, pink of course. You know, I'm actually gonna wear these around tonight. The Mindy Fuddies, M-I-N-D-Y, in size 9, and yes, let's see how comfortable these are right now because. Listen, I might wear these the rest of the daggone video. Let me see. Ooh. It's squishy literally right here in the sole. Or whatever this is. Ooh. Wow. Look at these, y'all. These are fire. So yeah. Fuzzy little shoes, but they feel good. Like, oh my god.
Oh my god!
Look at this. Y'all, they feel great. Okay, I'm keeping these on the rest of the video. Always comfortable for me. It'd be the comfortability for me. Did I even say that word right? Okay. This shoe is called Nafesa in size red. These are probably one of my favorite shoes. And I got these in a size 9. So this is Nafesa. And yes, literally she is this red pump. Yes, look at the freaking details of this shoe. I don't even know what to call this because it's not snakeskin, but it is so pretty. The heel is not too big, not too small. It has a square front, and these are velcro straps, literally. So cool. So if you have wider feet, you can adjust it right here, right there, right here. Smaller feet up here. Love it. So definitely wide foot friendly. But yeah, the detailing is really what got me on these shoes and made me choose them because what, like, look at that. And I love the red. I can literally get all these shoes for $10 because I'm a freaking VIP member. So if you're a VIP member, it's just like a subscription basically, so that if you're a frequent shoe shopper, if you're a shoe lover, like, mwah, you can literally get these shoes for $10 anytime you go on there if you're just like literally a VIP member. So definitely go check it out. These next pair of shoes are basically the same. Okay, the shoe's not in the box, but I'm gonna get it. These shoes are the basically the same as the pink ones, but they are the new version. So this is Becky, B-E-K-K-Y, and it's a new shoe in the size 9. Here are Becky with the good hair. Another small shoe, but this time there's no chunky heel, it's just a little small heel. Again, casual day for me. They're basically like sandals, like say in the summer you want to wear some sandals or something, but yeah, just basically, like, to me they're sandals, so you just go casually anywhere with them. These are nude, so these definitely match with anything. And of course they have the Cinderella detailing of the glass slipper type of look. Actually, these have a little more arch than the pink ones, it looks like, so a little more sexy if you want. I feel like people's misconceptions about like the small heel type of shoes is just that, oh, they look like granny heels and you know you can't wear them with anything, but they're the best heels to me because literally, like, they're not even really heels to me. They're like sandals, so you can wear them with anything, anywhere, anytime. That's what I like about them. Okay guys, so that is it for my Shoedazzle haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not following me on any of my other socials, make sure you are, because I give looks and all the things I show. I'm always showing you guys for a deal, so don't forget to try and sign up to be a Shoedazzle member so you can get these for like $10. I wouldn't lie to y'all. That's the best deal ever, because these would literally all be like $50 each. So you get 4 for $40 instead of 4 for $8. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Tune in to Ayana.